Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have 2s ds dv. We have sin 6x ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative 1 over 6 cosine 6x. So we put about u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so negative and negative, we have positive. Number 2 divided by 6, we have 1 over 3, and we have the integration s cosine 6x ds. Now we can use about integration by parts again, and now we can use about u equals to s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have du equals to the s dv. We have cosine 6x ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to 1 over 6 sin 6x. So we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so we have negative 1 over 6, the integration sin 6x ds, and we put the bracket in here. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 6 cosine 6x, and I will put about c. This one and this one with negative and negative, so we have positive 1 over 36 cosine 6x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.